this is my Almira where I keep all my things. So let me show you. So this is the Almira where I keep all my stuffs. These two sections are for my books, and below this section I keep my skincare, my other products, makeup, and lot of other stuffs, my bags, and below this all pillows and a handloom kind of material. So you can see here I keep all my notes which I bought from Mukherjee Nagar. These are from Vision. So you can see I write all the subjects names so that it will be easy to find. And here this is the section for my NCRTs, and here I keep like this. These are old NCRTs. This is of geography because I'm reading this. So this is for geography. This is old NCRT for Prachin Itihas and for Madhyakalin Itihas. This is the Aitihasik Manchitravali. So for ancient history, I'm using this, and these all are geographies, old geography books, NCRT books. I'm not reading all these books, so I keep these books here, and I'm referring only new NCRT. This is a syllabus of UPPCS, and this is the ARC report, Atlas, and below this here are my candles and notebook. And I keep these stuff inside this table after study because my dogs are very much naughty, so that is why. So this is the section where I keep all my other books. Like you can see here are my geography, Mahesh Barnwal, but I'm not referring these two books. I'm satisfied with NCRT 11th and 12th, and I'm preparing geography from 11th and 12th NCRT. This is Manchitron Dwara Bhugol. I bought this book, Manchitron Dwara Bhugol, but right now I'm not reading this, but I will read this book as well. This is Upender Singh, Lakshmi Kant. This is environment book, and I keep biology के जो environment के chapters हैं here in this book. So this is Pariksha Vani, and apart from that I have Drishti का विज्ञान प्रौद्योगिकी and Drishti का सामान्य विज्ञान. This is general studies practice set. One second, let me show you so you can see. And I have Lucent as well, and this is the Bharatiya Samaj Kaksha 12th wala, and this is for internal security. And Ram Sharan, I have Ram Sharan Sharma as well, but I'm not reading this. I'm going with this book. And this is Satish Chandra Madhyakalin. I made some notes from this book. This is the lexicon. This is Azadi ke Baad ka Bharat, and this is Spectrum ka Nibandh wala book, and this is Spectrum. And so this is, you can see UPPCS Mukhya Pariksha Itihas ka hai, and this is for UPSC GS 1 2 3 4. This is Shekhar Bandyopadhyay, and this is Spectrum Pehla wala edition. And after that I have some registers. I keep it here. This is PCS ka GS, and this is the file, and this is the small dictionary, so cute and handy. Okay, fine. So this is the book I bought many years before. So this is related to Samvidhan, that is why abhi tak rakha hai maine. This is Yojana of the month February 2021, but as you all know, I'm not preparing like current affairs, so I'm not reading all these books. This is my geography notes. I'm making these notes from Drishti. This is like A4 size sheets and all registers of my notes. So these all stuffs in my Almirah related to my studies, and basically I just want to show you guys where I keep all my books and which books I'm using. So this is, and I keep hangers here, like extra hangers with no use, and these are my some hairbands. So this is my study Elmira, you can say. So thank you for watching.